Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a Christmas tree out of ornaments, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do it. So first things first, you want to make sure you have enough ornaments. I purchased my ornaments from the Dollar Tree and they came in little tubes of 7 like this. I only got 4. I should have gotten 6 of these. However, I do have a lot of different ornaments around the house, so I pulled from those ornaments to make it enough. But if you try this and you need all new ornaments, you probably want to get about 6. So the first thing that we're going to start with, this is just a cake pan that I'm using, and I'm only using it to keep my circle formed. I'm going to pan the camera down so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. All right, so I'm only using the cake pan to keep the formation correct. So I've already started. All you need are ornaments and a hot glue gun. That's it. So I've already started putting this one together. And my bottom row here, once I get all my ornaments in, so my bottom row is going to be 8, and then you're just going to take the ornaments and go 1 less on each row. So then it'll be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Okay, so that's all that we're going to do. So what I'm going to do first is make my rings, and then we will hot glue the rings together. Guys, when you're gluing, you want to make sure that all of your ornament, like where the hangers go, is facing inward. So you don't want any of the tops of the ornaments hanging on the outside. All you want to be able to see is just the ornaments all the way around. So I'm starting with my 8 ring ornament here. I'm going to put that one at the bottom. And then I'm going to go to my 7 ring ornament. And now I'm just going to glue in a couple of spots here. And then we're just going to attach it right on top of the other one. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ooh, I burnt myself. Don't y'all hate getting burnt with hot glue? That thing hurts so bad. You probably want to do like a little placement test first to see where you want it, and then you'll be able to see exactly where you need to set your hot glue. Alright guys, so my tree is actually going to sit right here on my island. I have this tray here that I've had for several years, and I'm going to use it to place my tree and some other little whatnots. But what I also have, I have this string of little fairy lights that I've had for a long time. And you can just kind of like wind them up. They're on wire or whatever. I purchased these from Marshall's, I believe, like $4, just a small little box of them. So I'm gonna get this and place these lights up in the center of the tree just to get it to illuminate. Another thing that you might wanna do, you can try some of these tea lights. I tried these, they weren't as bright as I wanted them to be. They did light up the bottom, but it didn't light up the top very well. So I'm going to try these. And I do like these lights because you can kind of shape them and get them to do what you want them to do. Let's try to shape it a little bit. There we go. So now, stick it up there. And then this is also run on a battery pack, so I can cut it on and cut it off. And then I'm just gonna hide the battery pack right up in there as well. Just lay it on my tray and then put the tree right on top, just like that. So that's cute. That is cute. So thank you for watching this video. This is what I decided to do with my tree. I put it in a tray here to leave on my island, and I just added a couple of little whatnots, just some hot cocoa, some peppermint sticks, and some cute little ornaments and snow globes and things that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.